On every 1st December each year, the world come together to commemorate the World AIDS Day. And the theme of 2023 is Let the Community Lead. This year, the World Health Organization highlighted that communities living with and affected by HIV and youth leading have been essential for progress in the HIV response. They provide essential prevention testing and treatment support services, apart from building trust, working on solutions, and monitoring implementation of policies. The world can end HIV with communities leading the way. That is why the theme for World AIDS Day this year is Let the Community Lead. And much more than celebration of achievement of communities, it is a call to action to enable and support communities in their leadership role. The Global Health Body stated on World AIDS Day 2023 celebrates and recognizes the invaluable contribution of communities in leading the response to HIV. Since 1988, World AIDS Day has been observed to spread awareness about this life-threatening condition caused by human immunodeficiency virus, and that is HIV. It is also observed to extend support to those who are fighting AIDS. It should be noted that Uganda is recording a decline in new HIV infection from 54,000 to 52,000 in the period of 2021 and 2022, which translates into decline of about 4% according to the country's estimates and projection by May 2023. Despite the decline in new HIV infection, we are yet to celebrate as some regions and districts continue to register a high number of new HIV infections. Last year, 2022, alone, Wakiso district registered about 5,750 new HIV infections, which averagely translates into about 16 infections on a daily. Now, the Ministry of Health and UNAIDS 2023 district level HIV estimates and projection revealed Wakiso was followed by Kampala district, which with about 3,340 new HIV infections, which is about 9 infections daily. Bujikwe is now coming, registering about 880 new infections. Mukono with 860, and followed by Luwel district with 740 new HIV infections. Mubende district records of about 700, and Chenjojo about 680 new HIV infections. Now there is a panic in Mbalala, where we've seen a rise in the number of infections or HIV infections in this region.
All people who could be having HIV, 95% of them, we have not achieved the percentage of 95% of them knowing that they have HIV. So we must therefore scale up testing programs to bridge that gap of making sure everybody knows his HIV status.
In the last 3 years, Mbarara has registered 1,789 new HIV infections, resulting in 2 districts having the second highest HIV/AIDS prevalence rate in the country. According to Christina Habwe, the Mbarara district HIV/AIDS spokesperson, says most few infections have been registered in teenage and older men. The statistics of the Uganda AIDS Commission indicate that Mbarara comes second only to Fort Portal City countrywide in terms of HIV/AIDS prevalence, a revelation that has shocked leaders of that area.
HIV is still with us in Uganda, and it is still a threat. In 2022, Uganda lost 17,000 people. You know, a whole year you lose 17,000 people to HIV/AIDS. It's a lot.
The statistics from Uganda AIDS Commission also indicates that Uganda is registering over about 52,000 new HIV infections since the year began, despite efforts of the presidential fast-track initiative to end HIV by 2030. A recent study by the Makerere University School of Public Health found that majority of sexually active students were unaware of the HIV prevention method, which explained the surge in new HIV infections. Now medics are calling for mass sensitization of at-risk sexually active segment of the population on prevention and self-testing. Today, Uganda is joining the rest of the world to commemorate this International AIDS Day, and the theme is Let the Community Lead. The major celebrations are in Rakai, and President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni will lead this celebration.
Olina byotunda, saluni, arcade, oba bizinensi yonna gy'okola wandyagadde okufuna bakasitoma omukisa guguno langa ne Essential Media Uganda ku social media handles zaffe zonna. Bizinensi ogikuba abantu mu maaso bagimanye ku bisale ebitono ddala. Weereza akalango ko tukayise mu vidiyo zaffe zonna ze tuteeka ku mikutu gyaffe ofune amagoba mu by'otunda mbagirawo okumanya ebisingawo. Weereza obubaka ku WhatsApp 078 31 207 oba tugobere ku mikutu gyaffe gyonna okumanya ebisingawo.